Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be looking at the Xlookup function, and we won't just be looking at the Xlookup function, we'll be looking at the Xlookup function and the filter function in Excel. We know that the Xlookup function is an Excel formula that searches for value within a table or range of cells and return a matching value from another row or column. Like when we search for this employee ID, it gives us every detail about the employee ID. Lookup function can only give a single detail of a person. Unlike the filter function, it will bring out every detail pertaining a particular person as far as it's in that data. But the Lookup function will just pick only either one row or one column of that information. The filter function will pick out multiple columns or rows of that information. We are looking for everything that pertains to employee ID 510, comma, your lookup array is here, Control Shift down, comma, your return array wants every information, the employer's name, gender, age, department, and salary, Control Shift down. So put your parentheses, click enter. So we see that we've gotten every details about Chioma Phillips because Chioma Phillips has an employee ID of 510. What if we change this employee ID to 530? So we want to get every details on the employee ID 530. It changes. If we change this to 560, click enter. This will change. We change to 570. Enter. It changes. So that is for the Xlookup function. Each employee ID here has only one distinct detail assigned to them. For the filter function, we want to get the detail of each employee because each employee have multiple information. This is like a company that have different branches in the country, and each employee in this data have worked in different branches in the country. So once to get, maybe the manager came and said he wants the details of each employee that has worked in these three cities in the country. So he gave the names and the employee ID of each of this employee, that we should get the information of each employee. So we can use the Xlookup function in this case. Let's say we use the Xlookup function here, because Xlookup tab lookup value this lookup array this, comma, return array this, shift down, bracket close, enter. We will only get the first value on employee ID 503, which is this, Mary Johnson Finance, salary 65,000. What about other information on Mary Johnson? We can't even get it on Xlookup. So that's why we use the filter function to get multiple information about a particular person or about a particular ID or anything we want to search for if the thing has multiple information in a data. So we use the filter function in this case. So let's delete and use the filter function. Array is everything we're searching for. The array is everything we're searching for. Comma, include all the employee ID array. Then equals to this, bracket close, enter. Now we've got all the information on Mary Johnson. Every information on Mary Johnson we have gotten. So we'll come here, we can change the employee ID here. We can change the employee ID here. We can change to 502. We can change to 504. Or we can as well use the drop down list. If we use the drop down list, it's going to give us a faster approach to this problem. So let's use the drop down list. Delete. Click on this empty space. Go to data, data validation. Go to data validation. Go to lists. Your source will be the array of the employee ID because that's what you're searching for. Here, Ctrl Shift down. This is our drop down list. We can choose from any of the numbers here. Filter your array. The information you want is your array, comma, include employee array equals to this, bracket close. So we have all the information on employee ID 501. So we want information on 503, information on 505, every information on 504, every information on 5. I thought I saw 501 here, 501. So this is it about the filter function and the Xlookup. Filter function gets multiple information about a person or about a particular ID or a particular code in a data. Xlookup can just get one information about the person in a column or in a row. Filter function gets multiple information. For more videos, please like, share, subscribe, and click the notification button. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.